Damn. Okay.
Yeah, I think there's just a ton of volume in the market.
Wow. There's 1 to 1. 2 minutes, 1 to 1 at how many pips? Like 20? Wow. Yeah, any sort of support being made is gonna be solid. Did you guys get in on it?
No.
Yeah.
I don't even know the time. I just hopped on.
Dang, we do a Zoom and the whole party joined. Okay.
I don't see how this 50-minute closes because it didn't create a bottom wick. It just skyrocketed up.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, the markets just like trick me.
Yeah, I think if we pull back and make a support, or if we just kind of go like sideways for 2 candles on a 15-minute and make a support, it's gonna push up.
Yeah, I thought AU was a drop, but it didn't.
I'm sharing this screen, right? You guys can see this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Based off the 30-minute, it just looks like a fake out. Like, I'm thinking about it like, what they're like, would I have gotten in? But I don't think so, bro. Like, even though it worked out, if this happened again, I don't think I would have gotten.
Yeah, it was too big of a stop. I feel like there's definitely a better entry to be taken.
Yeah, and I just hate how he closed right at the resistance. Didn't close above. It closed right at those wicks there.
Yeah.
So it could have been like a chance of rejection.
Yeah.
Because if this came down with a surge of volume, I would have fucking been like, yeah, I should just wait for it to close above it.
It's probably gonna test it. So it kind of.
Yeah, the pound is being super weird right now.
Probably see something like that. So we broke out to the bottom, and now we're breaking out to the top. So I'd expect this one to be the true breakout.
Most likely that that bottom pattern is a bearish pattern, so it should be going up.
Yeah, I think so too. I think we just need a support, and then we're to the moon.
Yeah. I made some EU buys right now. Caught it pretty good.
Nice.
Should be at least 40 pips, hopefully.
There we go. What's the R to R?
1 to 3. Or 3 to 1, however you want to say it.
Nice. I always say 3 to 1.
Yeah, because at first I was in AU sales. I'm okay, yeah, it's a dip. It's not like getting past this resistance. And then right when London opened, or right, it was like 5 minutes before like open. I was like, what the fuck? Oh, so are you recording? Okay.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
it should be fine.
Yeah, but yeah, like I thought it was a dip because it was hitting like a pretty good like resistance level. So I thought it's not gonna go past it, but it broke through. And I was just like, man. But luckily EU didn't blast off here, so I was able to get a trade in before it did.
Well, as long as you're up now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This has been a good week so far.
I was gonna say daily for GT just filled the wick.
Yep.
Like now the question is this: would you see how this client closed above the resistance now, right? The 50-minute closes like this.
Mm.
and there's no bottom wick, would you still take do you think you would take a buy or no?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Because you think there's a great chance it can come down and retest the resistance, right?
Oh yeah, but I mean, I'm just gonna wait for a support regardless.
Mm-mm.
And this candle is not a. If we were to buy the support, it would have been this guy and put our stops here. Or I thought we could have got away with stops here.
Yeah.
It should get stuck here, but worst case scenario, it should get stuck above this level here. So this extra bit, we could have kind of minimized it, but I'd rather just wait, see what open does, see if we do get above this level. And then if we make a support, I'm gonna get in it. And if we pull back to here, which I think we could, because we don't have a bottom wick. So we might see a pullback to create that little wick and then continue up. But yeah, I would never, if I was to buy this, I'd have to put my stop under here and that would be not good.
Yeah.
That move up was crazy.
There he is.
Man, it's the days when like I don't trade EU as much. That's when it moves the most pips.
That's how it goes.
It's like, man, and like in like the days you don't play greedy, it like moves like so much more.
Yeah, like the 1 week I looked at EA instead of GJ. GJ moved perfect 4 days in a row. That would have been, it all would have been 2-1 winners. And then the week
Right.
I come back to it, it moves like good like 1 day.
Right.
Yeah.
Have you been paying attention to Sundial by chance?
I watch it, yeah.
Okay, because I think today it got like a pretty good bump.
I agree. I think it's gonna start. It finally made that support we needed.
Yeah.
I was looking at it like right here.
Yep. So tomorrow it might it could shoot up it could shoot up to the moon if people continue to pump it up.
As long as our support holds, I think we'll go back to the high and then make a new high.
Right.
Yeah, because we really didn't have any when we pushed up here. We didn't have anything until we got to this level and like this wick over here to potentially even make a support.
Right. But
So,
that the huge like the huge like squeeze as they call it, that
Mhm.
was just like a pump and dump. So it's kind of like there is really no support made, you know. But like that stock is like kind of hard to trade with because it's not like a really grown stock. People just pump it and then like close right away to make
Mhm.
some quick profits.
Yeah.
But GameStop was crazy today. I was looking at my trading stocks. I'm like, what's going on with GameStop? It's literally just a straight shot.
I didn't think they would pump it up again, to be honest.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I thought
But
it was just like a one and done, like a stick it to the man, how you like
right,
that, and then like
yeah,
do your thing. But
yep,
I mean, I guess if they're gonna keep messing with it because they keep making money, why not?
right.
I mean, that's
And
like
like,
the easiest way to do it.
yep, it is. Like everyone who became like rich from this, I'm like, dude, props,
Yeah,
props for playing GameStop.
yeah, we gotta start posting on Reddit and Twitter and get a huge community for GJ in London session, and everyone at
Right,
London Open takes a buy,
right. Pump it up, everyone just
pump it up 20 pips, and we all get out.
right.
Yeah.
But yeah, I feel like Forex is like so it like this moves too fast.
Sammy, where
hopefully-
you at?
Hopefully AMC shoot goes to the moon tomorrow.
Is that when they're supposed to do it?
AMC was one of those stocks that was supposed to get pumped too.
Gotcha.
Like it did go up like $3 today when GameStop got pumped. So yeah. But yeah, like usually if you find a stock that doesn't really have any news, usually you could trade like price action with it. But if there's like a lot of news with it, then it's kind of hard to do that.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, as Paul was saying, so like the way I started my journey was around last year, probably around Corona, probably say around April. I got back into trading from a friend, and for a couple months in and out, I was moving over strategy, jumping back and forth, trying to find out what works for me. I went from Raja, and then I went from swing trading, then I went from scalping back again, and I found out that I was a little bit comfortable with scalping once I met Paul, because he made it very simple for me. So since meeting Paul in the group, what works best for me is trading structure. So buying at support, when we are in a bullish trend, or selling at resistance when we're in a downtrend. So he made it very simple for me, and ever since I've been in the group, this works for me, and that's what I understand the best. And yeah, so ever since that, Paul just made it simple for me, and my journey has been to the roof since I joined this group.
So which way are you? You're just like buying support, selling resistance. There's no other. Do you have like any other?
I sometimes I use the complements with the EMAs, like the 15 and the 8, as you showed us.
Did you like it though? Like, did it make sense or?
No, it makes sense, but since GJ has been a little shaky this past month, I kind of wanted to go back to my roots. And you know how we just did it plain with we're just looking pure price action and structure.
Yep.
So I was going back to that. So sometimes I have it on. Like sometimes I turn it off and I look at it and see, okay, let me see with my eyes what I think is gonna happen. And so it's just been working out, man. Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, no, I like the EMAs there. I like that it gives you like a set of rules every morning, and then you just wait to execute it versus, well, I think today's a seller, I think today's a buy,
Mm-hmm. Like look at that 15 on the EMAs. That would have been a cool entry, maybe taking the breaking the top, but
yeah, the stop was just too big.
It's just too big. Yeah, it make me feel comfortable.
Yep, 100%.
But that's why we wait for support. So now knowing that, yeah, some people right now might FOMO, but I'm not gonna FOMO because yes, it broke that resistance, but what I'm gonna wait for is support. So I'm just gonna chill out, and if price doesn't give that to us, then I'll wait for another day, and I'll come back to charts.
Yeah, because I feel like if you're gonna buy this, I'm just gonna put a random TP. The minimum stop you can have, maybe put it in the middle of the range underneath here. And then you have a really strong belief that this is gonna hold price up. Or you could put it here, under here, or the safest bet is under the support here. But then, I mean,
Just look at, what is that, 40 pips?
yeah, that's a 1-to-1.
You're gonna be there forever.
Yeah, that's a big.
And the thing is, like, okay, there's two things that are shaky. One, where would you put your stops at if you took a trade right now?
Yep.
You took a buy right now. Two, this, I don't like trading on, like, you see when it's like the third candle, bullish candle. I don't like trading those. I've seen that I always get stopped out when I take those trades because I keep thinking it's gonna keep pushing up, but I'll say like 70% usually comes down after it has that push.
Gotcha.
But yeah, waiting for support, and then I'll, once I get that support, I'm 1,000% taking my trade. If I get a good close, and yeah, I'll execute on it.
Yeah, I think we'll set up nice today.
Yeah, I was gonna say for me, trading wise, I would say that works the best is like just price action, just reading it with support resistances. Like here, like how I saw this was like we did a fake obviously on like the 30-minute, and then but we didn't close above this resistance there. So want to wait for it to close above the resistance. But then when we did close above the resistance, the hourly had no bottom wick or anything like that. And like how you guys are saying, the stop loss is too big. And to me, what makes most sense is price action for me. It just, I don't know, I just read the charts better and with zones and everything like that.
So how are you doing it? Because I know you've been doing it a little different than like when we first all started doing it.
Yeah, like what do you mean? Like, how am I doing it?
Like even back when like the Asian session was going on, I feel like you were trading differently. I feel like you kind of just found your way of trading.
Yeah, I obviously is like I think I continuously evolve. Whereas like maybe before I'd kind of wait for like those higher lows and the higher highs setups only before, but now it's more of like I'm more I was gonna say like I'm more like one with the one with the market. Whereas now I'm not just waiting for like only support to form. I might take it. I might take it. So for example, I might take a breakout like how this trade could have played out, and then instead of just waiting for support. But I think it all depends on how you see the market, how you see the charts during the time, and like those tiny details you notice. Like for this, I noticed that the hourly didn't have a bottom wick, and then the stop loss just toward what it makes sense. Like you're saying, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's more the tiny details I noticed over time and managing really well. So it's like if I'm in a trade and I know most likely it's going to come hit my stop loss, I'd rather minimize my loss and then try to take another trade after that.
Or take like a really small win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have something else to talk about. I feel like a lot of these things too, when like especially when it comes to the charts, since like let's say we've been looking at GJ for what, more than a year probably. I know Paul, you've probably been looking at GJ for how many years?
2.5.
2 years.
Yeah.
So let's say compare me to a new trader, right? And then to you, you're gonna you know GJ more than I do. And especially like you're gonna know her because of what you've seen and what you've been feeling through her. And I feel like sometimes, like, yeah, I might ask you, yo, what do you might do on this, on this resistance? You were like, sometimes people are like, oh, I feel if I get something good, I'll feel like it'll be doing good. It depends how people feel.
Mm-hmm.
That's why some people might be like, oh, are you gonna take this trade? I'm like, depends how I feel on it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's that little like gut feeling of
Exactly, because I can't teach someone my gut feeling. You understand? I could,
Yep.
that's why I feel like it's hard. That's why I give props to you for teaching, because I can't, I can't I feel like I'm not a good teacher. I could show someone my moves, but I feel like the feelings and our thinking ways is gonna be, our psychology is gonna be different. You have to build that up. And I felt like since we met and since I was in the group, I've slowly been building it up, and I'm still learning too.
Yeah, just showing up every day, it's gonna get better. That's funny. Yeah, you say that because the book I'm reading, the what is it called? Um, something monk something.
Mhm.
Was it the one by Jay Shetty?
Yeah, what do you know the name of that one? I can't think of it. It's like a monk.
Yeah,
That's what it is.
yeah, something like that. I know the
Yes.
author, but I
Yeah,
don't
Jay.
remember.
Yeah, I remember the author too. But yeah, it's like there was a part yesterday that was like it was some sort of like personality test. It was a specific one. I can't remember the name of it, but basically it was telling you your Varna or whatever, which is like, are you a guide? Are you a leader? Are you something else or something else? And when I took the test, it said I was a guide, and I was like, I feel like a leader. And then when I read what a guide was, it was like you teach people, you relate to people, you're a good like mentor and like want to see people succeed and reach goals and all that kind of stuff. And it was like everything we've done in the group, it was just like repeating it to me. And I was like, oh yeah, that is stuff I enjoy. That's weird. But when I took the test initially, I was like, I'm a leader. I lead. This is what I do. And then
Yeah.
when I found the answer, I was like, I don't know about that. And then when I read what it was, I was like, oh yeah, that's
Really, yeah, this is me.
that's
Yeah,
me.
this is me.
So yeah, it's funny you say that because I literally
Can't
just read
deny it.
that like 7 hours ago.
Yeah, and it's true. Like we need a leader, a teacher. Everybody has their place in life. I feel like everybody plays a role in their life. So yeah, bro, you're a good teacher.
I try.
Shit, without a teacher, there'll be no students.
That's true.
Shit, I'll be fucked. I probably would have been in my garage on a notebook crying, just stressing out, trying to figure it out, dude. But you know what? It's so addicting in a good way.
Yeah, it is.
Like, look, I don't have to get up at 2 in the fucking morning, 3 in the
Hey,
morning.
Hey,
When I have I'm sorry. I forgot.
if they
Fucking man.
demonetize, you owe me like $3, bro.
Wait, you're putting this on YouTube?
Yeah,
Awesome. What the?
that's why. Were you reading the
I
chat with your eyes closed? Yeah, no, I want to do this
Okay,
instead of lives for now.
Okay, this is a
Yeah.
private group. Okay.
Yeah, maybe we'll do this every day for London, but I'm not gonna put every single one on YouTube.
And the pound's moving so crazy.
I think we're just testing that level we broke out of, to be honest.
I think it's
Probably,
beginning of bottom wick, right?
Yeah.
I mean, for GU, it's just like so volatile, kind of.
Yeah, I used to trade only GU in the beginning for the first like 6 months. But when both currencies were like active when I was on the chart, it made it really difficult.
Right. Well, I think for your side trading, I think like GJ moves better for you.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
Yeah. But for me, like I would prefer GU because it would like usually like the USD pairs, they have those long potential trades and stuff more often, kind of.
Yeah, because you normally hold. You're normally in them the trades longer than I would be.
Yep.
hmm I feel like yours is like a mix of swing trading and scalping. Like you scalp entries from like higher time frame levels, but still making sense on the smaller time frame, and then you'll hold it to like a 4-hour resistance or a daily resistance versus me just getting in, taking a 2-to-1 and getting out.
So pretty much the way I trade is my like key levels are like the daily zones kind of.
hmm
I'll just kind of like see where things are, and then I go into like the 4 hour and 1 hour and 2 hour. I kind of follow the price when I go through that, and then I make most of my trades inside the 15 30.
Do you do
And
it
then
from those higher time frame levels or?
nope. So I like to do like snap entry. So I like to just kind of like see where price is going on the higher time frames, and then make all my entries on the low time frame. And then with that, I would see like is it making like higher high or low highs and stuff like that, or higher lows and stuff. And then wait for the EMAs to cross to see where the price want to go. Unless it's like trending like really well, then I'll just wait for it to bounce off or something like that. And then yeah, just kind of like follow the trend really.
You
And
use structure and stuff, right?
yep. Price action structure. So it's kind of like price shoots up real high with no resistance. Usually it has to create support somewhere, so it'll like fall and crash, or it'll do some kind of retracement or something.
hmm
And then lately for the past few weeks, I've been trading like supply zones and demand zones because they've been showing up a lot. So when I see some, I just place a trade. Kind of like the past two trades I've done for AU were like demand zones, and those work pretty well.
Gotcha. Yeah, I've heard people like those types of that type of trading. I never really looked into it, but I heard it's pretty good.
Yeah, usually it's pretty easy to start on. Like it'll like price will probably hit like a good support level or like good resistance, and then if it just kind of like bounce in that area, then it's probably gonna go on like reverse from there or something. So that's how I trade it.
Gotcha. Yeah, I've heard of a couple different ways to do it.
Like sometimes if you like trade a trend, and then when it like reaches the end of the trend, like it was like kind of like consolidate, or like I don't know, like kind of like try to like bounce off that like that like that zone. And then the moment it creates that last bearish or bullish candle, then like it'll go in that direction.
Mm,
It's pretty fun. Like whenever the market isn't like real trending, like usually those trades like works out pretty well.
so it kind of works better in like a choppy market.
Kind of, yeah, because like last week when AU was just moving so bad, like you can't tell the trend, but then like the support levels and things like that were like you could see them. So price would go hit it, and then it'll like bounce a little bit, and then it'll go towards the direction that it's supposed to. And
Mm,
it's just like cool. That's a good way to trade this type of situations.
gotcha.
And like usually those trades they're like a pretty fast burst. Like 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 it wouldn't really be a trend. It would just kind of like shoot, really.
Hmm.
Which is what I would prefer. Is usually, just quick trade, or you don't have to wait for the trend to reach TP,
Yeah.
or like just shoot.
Feel like if we get a bullish close, it would make sense for buys. I don't know what's your guys' thoughts on that.
For a wick though.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
Mhm.
thinking.
and for volume to like surpass that.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what
Yeah,
I'm
just
thinking.
under 30.
Hopefully this will give us a nice entry. Not be
Yeah.
too big, a good stop loss.
It would be like a perfect
Exactly.
retest of this too.
Mm-hmm.
That would be nice.
Be a nice Thursday.
Yeah, come on.
Yep. I'm gonna go grab some socks. My feet are cold.
I thought you couldn't walk.
I can
So,
hobble. I can hobble, bro.
It's like, I can't.
I got like extra swag in my step. I limp so hard.
You're gonna need a cane next.
I almost told Lauren to go buy one when she was getting anti-inflammatory medicine. I was like, because I was using our stool as like a walker, and it was really annoying. And I was gonna tell her like, "Hey, you should just pick me up a cane." But I was like, it'll only be like 2 days. So I
What
mean,
if
I
she's
can,
like, you're being so dramatic now? What if she's
yeah,
like-
exactly. As soon as it happened, she's like, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" I was like, "Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna need a massage and a sponge bath."
She's like, oh, now you're doing the most.
Yeah, because whenever I get like sick or hurt, she's like, "You're so dramatic. You're so just like you're just so needy." So whenever anything happens, I always just try to be super needy just to irritate her.
Oh, guys.
Like if I have a runny nose, I'll pretend like I'm dying.
Like, I'm dying.
Yeah, it's hilarious. I think. All right, I'll be back.
But yeah, guys, I think we get a good close. But we couldn't take this up.
Goja, you don't be talking much.
What do you mean, bro? I was talking before.
What's so good,
Oh,
What you been up to?
you need to make up for the 2 days you missed, bro. You have to talk.
Bro, I came
Uh-oh.
back
Uh-oh.
and volume entered the market. That's what happened.
Two
You
for
were-
2 days, that's what happened?
Yeah, look at that volume, bro. Look at the volume I bring with me.
It's because of you, bro.
100% because of me.
I only take winners when you were here, bro.
You already know what, you're going to take another win today if we get this close.
Yep.
Hey, don't say that because if we do
watch
take a
us.
win, Sammy's gonna be like, we need Gurja here.
Yeah, honestly, if I take a win today,
That's why
bro,
I
I'm
swear.
waking you up every single day, half an hour before. You would tell me.
An hour before. Gurja, he said, Gurja, you're gonna be, yo, waking me up at 2:40. He's like, all right, 1:40. Gurja, get the fuck up.
No, I've been
Sammy's like, okay. Sammy's gonna wake you up and he's gonna be like, all right, bro, wake me up now.
So he says half the time. Bouncy, what our target is here? I'm gonna scroll to our left.
200. And then, our targets, I was looking at maybe now we gotta go close 200. I was looking left at the 4 hour. I see a resistance at 550. And then after that,
550? Okay.
yeah, and after that, a clean move all the way up to 151,900.
I think
That's
I'm
the
gonna take
resistance
everything.
from the 4 hour.
250, I think.
I'm scrolling go to the left and seeing.
Bro,
Yeah,
I've never
you have to
seen
scroll
GJ
all
at
the way.
150, bro.
Go on the monthly, it's easy to tell. Monthly, there's like a resistance, I think so. What you're saying, 150,
Oh, yeah.
500.
Oh, this is way cleaner. I didn't think about this. Yeah, 150. Damn, yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
When was the last time we hit 150, bro?
I feel like it's been a while.
Yeah.
Because all last year, I felt like we were under like
Yeah,
140.
same. Yeah, that's what I felt as well.
Wait, Paul, can I say DAMN?
I think so.
I feel like the police.
I mean, you said every other word, so why stop there, right?
Hey, this is the first feedback. Okay?
All right, we'll let it slide today. Wish I could play my music though. I have to like put some headphones on with some country in my ear or something.
Bro, I have to scroll so far back left. Oh my god.
I just don't want a big stop.
Yeah, we have 4 resistance at like 150, 500.
That's okay. We
Yeah,
could get a
that's
nice
what we
2-to-1 with that.
And then, yeah, I'm checking lower time frames now. at this little fucking shit. Sorry.
You guys are all gonna owe me 50 cents.
Come on, man. It's only me following the rules, bro.
Yeah, for all this
This thing's just
YouTube,
annoying, bro.
all this
Now,
YouTube money you're taking away. How am I supposed to make my $3 a day? Come on now.
Paul,
Gotta feed my
you-
family. Can't buy kitten food and keep swearing, Gershad.
No, but
Paul,
sorry, this thing is being mad annoying.
this is why I don't stream no more. You can ruin it.
I literally scrolled all the way left on a 4 hour and then flipped to 1 hour and then it reset me, bro. Like,
Do you have a mouse or are you using a little laptop keypad?
I'm using a laptop to keep it.
Oh God.
But honestly,
You're like these
laptop's the way
fingers
to
and-
go, bro. It's just easier. I have like
Virgil,
the, I
you
have
have-
the, what?
you have big hands, so like it's gonna be harder for you.
Bro, I have the smallest Mac laptop out there.
I know. I
Literally
used to
just-
have that one. It sucked. They have these big ass.
There's pros and cons to it. Pro is like, bro, you can take it anywhere and it's like light. It's so small, you can literally take it anywhere.
I feel like laptops aren't usually super heavy though, so like maybe
Nah,
you should just go to
some
the
are,
gym.
bro. When you're carrying it around in a backpack or something. You relax it, you carry around your PC in your backpack.
Imagine.
I'm gonna put my PC and my monitors in my backpack.
That'd be funny.
Oh my god,
I mean, I guess if this candle engulfs the other one, that'll be good as well, but
That's
it
what I
kind of
was
just gives
thinking
us a
too,
big
but-
stop again.
I mean, but then if it engulfs it, that just shows you like good volume. When you say that there's good volume,
Mm-hmm.
so it's
Yeah.
like the stop loss is big, but we should have the same amount of we should reciprocate the same amount of volume the opposite way.
Mm-hmm.
But you know how, like, let's say we'll take an entry, we'll get stopped out, then it'll go our way.
Mm-hmm.
I was telling Sammy, I was like, bro, what the heck? Do I have to put my stop loss to the previous structure for it to not hit my stop loss?
Some people do that.
Really?
Yeah, one
So
of
what?
the
So
I feel like that's like an older trader kind of thing, because the guy I met at the gym who's been trading for like 30 years on the floor and now he trades at home. That's how he does it. He puts it at the previous support and then just takes it up a
So-
little bit or down a little
so
bit.
right now, if this closes as support, he put his stop loss at the previous structure.
Yeah, he'd probably put it like under here or under here.
Oh wow, that's huge! Wow.
Mm-hmm.
So he
Yeah.
swing trades it?
I don't know exactly. I think he might swing trade some of the position, but I think he just has like
Or
a
he stop.
monetary target each day.
Yeah, I think usually for like those guys who works on the floor, like usually they're like they hold the trade for a while for the
Mhm.
most part. It's not like a quick like in and out. For the most part.
For me to ever reconsider that, I would have to test it out for a very long time. Oh. You see, like if we get a close like this, I feel like it would be cool. Make that, feel that wick.
Usually it does that. Usually even if you get like a wick like that, but the base is bullish,
Mhm.
it should still go up because support is still holding.
These are my favorite candles when it goes bullish, bearish, then bullish. Those are my favorite candles.
You like those ones?
I love it.
I like it when it's like this.
Yep, just like that too.
Like
Uh-huh.
a nice engulfing. This one rejects.
Mhm.
And then we got like nice clean moves.
It's just this is a bigger version because the candles are so huge.
Yeah, they're just not spread out. It's like all three candles were
It's
in.
like sideways. It's like sideways.
Yeah, all
a
three
little bit.
candles were here, where here we like moved up.
Mhm. Nice,
Yeah.
nice flow.
And price is just like tight.
What
Like
did
what
you
you
say? Paul said always let the candles print. Yeah, that's what it was. Let the candles
Like
print.
I give up. I tried to scroll left on the lower time frames and it just wasn't working. So I'm not doing that anymore.
Yeah, we close bullish, break the high. I'm gonna get in and put my stop under the support.
I almost want this to engulf the previous bearish candle.
Why you want to be like sure? Confirm.
It's just like a super strong confirmation, because then I don't want that to be like a resistance at all or anything like that.
I mean, you could just wait till it breaks above it. That would be kind of pretty similar to closing engulfing.
Yeah, I guess so.
Or break the high of the candle. That'll be like a little extra confirmation. Because, I mean, if we close like this and we break the highs, I mean, unless we're ranging really hard for some reason, we should keep moving up. You would think.
Maybe keep the stops at 970.
Where?
970.
Yep.
Yeah, I want to look particularly into this one.
Once this closes, I'm gonna take my entry with my sorry. I'm gonna take a buy entry with my stops under the wick.
I'm gonna wait for us to break the high and then I'll be in.
Okay, I just took my entry. I'm on a runner target for this one also. 500, 150, 500. Yeah, anybody else get in the stream?
Not yet.
Oh man, you make me yawn.
Yes, let's go.
It didn't let me execute my trade. It was telling me to check the journal. Like, I don't know why it wouldn't let me execute. I guess my things were on.
Mm. Did you get it? Did you fix it?
I guess I had to. I guess I had to allow the trading option, like allow DDL,
Oh, yeah,
automatic trading.
Yeah, the imports.
Yeah, but I didn't know that has to happen when you get a new account. I thought it just automatically does it.
Mm-mm. I mean, if you just signed into it, you should be. It should, I think. Excuse me.
Okay, now let me take my trade. Finally.
What is this, bro? G has ton of volume and then does this.
And just trying to establish a good support.
Paul, you know when you get in, I think I'm gonna get out.
Yeah, I need a couple more to hit my stop loss.
Your
My
stop
Stop
loss,
loss.
yeah.
Stop
mean,
when
my
you TP.
take two, my
I was like, your
TP.
stop. I was like, what the fuck?
Hey man, I'm discarded with TJ. No, I'm about to hit my TP right now. Actually,
You guys are just taking a 1-to-1s, aren't you?
I'm leaving
yeah,
a
bro.
runner.
Oh, you are.
I'm leaving a runner to 150, 500 though.
That's about my TP.
Cause I like I
Oh, what the hell? I close.
strongly think I have a good hunch. I think it can reach that.
Come on, DJ.
2 more pips, bro.
Damn, you gotta get out. I'm getting in.
Yeah, I
I'm leaving
closed,
runner though. I'm gonna be with you on the.
Wait, did you close 50% your job?
What? No, why? Why would I close 50?
Oh wait, you're leaving. Oh, you mean you're leaving it like to run? Or you
No,
didn't close anything?
no, I'm securing and then leaving a runner.
Oh,
Like
okay,
my
yeah,
runners,
I see
my runners
what
give me
you
like 10% of this trade or 25% of this trade. Like it's my runners are usually small. I'm not comfortable with leaving like that much on a runner.
Oh, finally.
You're close, Paul. You think you get your entry?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. I have a little runner going on right now too. It's gonna hit my TP, my take profit 3.326.
I gently let everybody know I closed mine 1 pip away from my thing and left like a 10% runner.
Nice. It didn't really fully get above it, so I didn't get in just yet.
I think he's gonna take a hard crash during the New York session today.
Nice. Let's go.
Man.
Let's go. The rest of you lads secure profits.
Oh yeah, I secured profits already. I locked 1.2% and I have the rest running right now. Stop loss is break even.
How much do you leave for your running?
I closed
Percentage-wise.
I closed
Percentage. Sorry.
Things like this 20%, so I'll close 80.
Got it.
I got out at 1.5 to 1.
No one wants to hear you, Sammy. Nah, I'm joking.
As soon as he talks.
This
I'm
guy,
joking.
man. I'm just gonna leave right now.
I'm joking.
Like, no, serious every.
I'll spot on with that, bro. I'm too
Right,
fast with
guys,
that.
we're gonna take a picture for the gram.
Screw your picture.
All right, then I'm not gonna tag you. This you can talk shit.
Hey,
Oh, sorry, Paul. Sorry, Paul.
Jesus, got a bunch of dyslexic special people in here today, I guess.
Wait, Paul, are you
Wow.
going like 150, 500 on the dot or that zone?
My TP is 150, 594.
594?
Yep.
Think is gonna pass 500.
He going for 2-1.
Yep.
But dude, I'm crying right now.
Mine is up
I think we
150.
could see. I think we could see some volume.
I mean, it's still there. Because I set my runner just under the 500 mark for a 154.8.
Yeah, I'm set at 2-1, and I'm just going to trail it behind every 15, and hopefully this next one will at least be up in here. And then worst case scenario, I still can minimize and be in profit by like
so
half a percent.
So see how you got in on the 15-minute break, right? Right?
We could see a rocket.
Okay, love talking to you there, Paul. I'm talking to you, boy.
I'm listening, boy.
I'm saying, see how we got in on the 15-minute top break there, right?
Yep.
I was gonna
This
say,
is
so it's like,
beautiful.
if this,
One at a time.
So-
Jeez.
yo, it's boots guy, bro, boot the guy.
I thought I was on mute. My bad.
Oh my
I was
gosh.
gonna say, so see if this 15-minute goes like this, then you're gonna trail your stop already under this 15-minute close, or you're gonna wait for one more.
No, I'm gonna move it up to here.
Wait, let me pull out Zoom. Sorry.
Yeah, especially with this candle. Heck yeah, I'm putting it under here.
Okay, got it.
Let's do volume.
Let's go, baby. Almost halfway. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
I just need one good trade for this week, and if I lose tomorrow, I'm still up.
Bro, this is crazy because
I haven't won yet this week. This will be one win. And
it hit my TP3.
Nice.
Yeah, it's about to hit my TP.
What was your TP3, bro? I thought you went for 500.
326.
Do you have one more or no?
No, that's it. 326. It just hit it right now.
Thought you were gonna go with me on to 500,
Nice.
I didn't even. You know what, Gurja? The thing is that since last year, GJ was going crazy, always giving me like it would always hit 3 lots. I mean, TP3. So I usually automatic set my target 1 to TP3 always,
this thing's
just in case if
moving.
it flies.
Oh my god.
What's
Wow.
TP3 though? Like
Oh,
risk toward 1 to 3?
Yeah.
let's go halfway, baby.
That's
One
how
more
I
pips and I'm
usually.
out.
That's amazing.
Let's try
Paul,
this.
get that win, Paul.
I hope so,
get
man.
that W.
I'm minimizing my loss by like 35-40% now, so my stop is here. Yeah, I just need
Wow, I
about
want to
20,
stay with you guys.
20 more pips.
So
This is what you see. This is my favorite trades, my favorite candles.
I wasn't really a huge fan of the close, to be honest, but
Really?
yeah, because I had a long wick, but I had a good feeling if it was able to break the high, it should move up pretty nicely.
I was not really expecting that push up that it gave right now.
Wait,
To be
I wasn't
honest.
either, but I mean, I had a feeling we were going to push up. I just didn't know how strong.
Wait, Paul, are you at 1 to 1 right now?
Pretty much. I'm like one pip away.
nice.
So yeah, if this one doesn't really go
This
lower
feels
than
so
here,
good.
then I can put my stop up here. And worst case scenario, also if it comes back and breaks a 15-minute low before hitting my TP, I'll still secure a 1-to-1.
Sammy,
Man,
where
I
do you
feel like crying.
I'm hoping we get another
you probably
strong
took it
candle.
out.
That was
Maybe
a crazy.
maybe it's gonna
That was a
maybe
crazy
it's gonna come
30
a little
minute.
bit down and come up.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
just
crazy.
Just hit my TP.
I was gonna say GG's been pretty good this whole week though. No?
I mean, I was able to minimize Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, I find it was pretty good. Well, decent.
There was a huge pump, I guess, here, right?
It wasn't great. I mean, I haven't had a win yet, but I've been able to minimize
Yeah,
every single trade. So
there've been worse weeks for sure.
yeah, that's true.
This is so clean. No drawdown.
Don't jinx it.
No, Paul got this. Paul, what's your TP in 594? That's a 2-to-1.
42 pips, yep.
Nice.
So like right here, do you secure or no? Do you just
Nope.
what do you do at that point?
I
Okay.
sit and I look at it.
Yeah. That's how I trade too.
Because if I close before my proper risk to reward hits, I mess up. I mess everything
Yeah, I
up.
feel you.
I close my runner.
So like if this candle doges
You're
out
very
right
good.
here and closes like that, then my stop goes here. And if it hits it, I pretty much still secure. Probably just under 1-to-1, but I give it the potential to hit my 2-to-1 still.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully it doesn't pull back and try to dick around over here. That would really be annoying.
I got shook. I saw it go up and then jump back down. I was like, I am done. I closed my runner.
Yeah, I've noticed it always, if it moves good, 2-to-1 always hits.
Just be careful with the 4 coming to a close in like 1 hour.
For a close.
Is that
Oh yeah.
in 1 hour?
Yeah.
I mean, as soon as a 15-minute breaks a low, I'll be out, unless I go to TP. So hopefully it doesn't pull all the way back to entry. That would kind of suck. Well, it's a 30-minute open, so I'd expect a down wick, and then hopefully we can keep this volume and move up again.
So
Yes,
Paul,
sir.
you're at break even right now?
Nope.
Oh. I usually go break even at like 1-to-1. Just for sanity, you know.
Yep.
Bro, how quick are you with your thing? Oh, what's the story? I thought this guy already charted his chart.
GJ buys, and unfortunately, my buys sell.
What was that?
I don't know.
That was me. I'm on Instagram. Sorry.
Oh, no, that's cool.
I'm gonna go get another cup of coffee. I'll be back.
Always on my mind. Always on my mind. Dun, dun, dun. I want to see what USD CAD's doing. I haven't looked in a minute. Not enough volume right now. Oh no, sorry, look at that. Yeah, just ugly. I want to see where 1-to-2 would have been if I kept this original trade 1-to-2 on the 15-minute.
Oh, you mean without securing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. So long entry,
That would take some practice though, you know.
bro. It takes big kahunas.
Yeah, it would.
Yeah, 1-to-2 would have been hit. It would have been if someone secured right at the bullish 15-minute. It would have been 1-2, almost 3. But there's no way to predict volume like that.
Exactly.
I think this is gonna slowly do this and continue heading up.
Yeah, once we create support, it should be good.
Level.
Great, so I'm pretty much gonna get to go break even. Yeah, I'll get to secure like 5 pips. So,
You can move your stop below this
Yeah.
bearish
Yo,
close.
Paul.
yeah,
Paul, did you know? Paul, did you know?
real funny.
I'm just asking, did you know? What was funny about that?
Did I know what?
That you're beautiful?
Oh my God. You're so corny.
Hey, at least I'm showing you love with your fucking your oats.
Are you? It doesn't seem like it.
Listen, at least I'm showing you love with your foot. That's the foot. This group is funny.
I think this is gonna keep continue heading up though. To respect this and then continue heading up.
It's gonna take me out first though.
I think it might even come down a little lower into the zone, but it won't break this if it wants to continue up.
Yeah, I agree. It's kind of annoying. I mean, if this thing rejects all the way up in 4 minutes, great, but
What's the lower time frame doing?
I'm just on the 15.
Yeah, I'm gonna check what the lower time frame's doing. I mean, you might get a better close of this depending on this 5 minute. Okay, all right, Paul. I'm gonna just head off for tonight.
About, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, it's 4 a.m. over here.
It's 3 by me.
God dang.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be back tomorrow. Hopefully I don't sleep in.
You better not.
Let me clear that before I leave. Okay. Peace out, peace out.
But
Peace. And the euro is moving super nice today.
the what?
The euro.
Mm,
The euro's been moving pretty well the past 2 weeks actually. Price action has been pretty clean for it. Besides on Monday. Monday was kind of weird, but
GJ's always gonna be a little twat. If it closes like that, it's gonna break that low and take me out in profit. Oh, come on, one day. Couldn't move good one freaking day. Effing little a-hole.
Let's pull him out.
Maybe we get lucky. That would be awesome.
Yeah, look, so. Ooh. Let's go.
Come on, almost TP. GJ flip.
Yo, Paul,
Yep,
we're doing this again tomorrow.
yep, I'm down. I'll just do a Zoom every morning.
Cool. That's better, I think. I'm gonna head off now, bro.
Alright,
We'll see you tomorrow.
yes,
I'll
sir.
probably talk more tomorrow. I know you
Okay.
wanted everyone to discuss their journeys. And I'll talk tomorrow, bro. I'm just a bit tired today.
Okay,
Okay. See you tomorrow, man.
bye.
See you later, Christopher.
Later, Sammy.
You. Alright, got my stop at the red line, so. Worst case scenario, I'm securing some profit. Best case scenario, we push to TP.
Yeah.
Hopefully we respect the lows of the candles. That would be nice. It hasn't done that all week.
Oh, looking good, man.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, even if I can, even if we don't go past here, but we close bullish and I can get my stop up to here, that would be so much better.
Yeah, that's almost 1-to-1.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, man. I've
we'll
been
see.
serious.
If we launch above, maybe we just keep riding.
Yeah, I think that would happen. It was just making a pullback.
It was hourly open, but it just pulled back really
Yeah.
far.
Yeah.
So just keep trailing the candle and hopefully we'll keep moving.
Oh, you trail candles, huh? I
Yep.
think before I was trade, well, right now I trail like
Structure.
actual supports. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
I
this
just
is
found it
something.
easier when I was doing that. I would be my profitable trades would come back into the negative,
Mm-hmm.
and I didn't really like that too much.
I got you. Yeah.
So doing it this way, my stops are going to get hit way more, but over time, it's going to make my losses a lot
Smaller.
fewer. So I think it's going to be better, more beneficial long term.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So that's why I switched it. Oh, come on, break that high.
Yeah, it's coming up. It's coming up. Yeah.
If it breaks the high, I'm going to move my stop up to this guy, I think.
I feel like changing my TP because buying power is pretty strong right now. But
Oh, don't get greedy.
I know.
It just means it's going to hit your TP sooner.
Right.
You got a plan when you took the trade, now you got to leave it. Because if it was moving really slow and not moving great in your direction or just kind of ranging, would you make your TP smaller or no?
Wait, what?
I was saying if it was doing the opposite, like if it was moving not good and slow and kind of rangy, would you make your TP smaller or no?
No.
Okay, yes, so you shouldn't move it further forward, you know?
Right.
If you would have said
Yeah.
yes, then maybe it would make sense to do it with how it's moving now too. But
Mhm.
I think because you said no, put your hands in your pockets.
Sure.
Right.
Are you going to the gym today?
I did.
Hmm?
I did. I went to gym around like 6:30.
No, are you going today? Like,
Oh, no, today I've I actually have to work later at night. I've like my shift is weird. I don't start work till like 1, and then I don't get out till like 9
oh, in the morning?
at night.
Oh, 1 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Yep.
Gotcha. I mean, that's not a bad shift. That would be perfect for London, I feel like.
Yeah, it would be. That's why I'm up right now with you guys.
I was wondering why you were here so long. I just didn't want to be rude.
Yeah,
Because usually you'll come on for like 30
like an
minutes
hour.
or so.
Yeah, I did miss an hour.
Nice. Yeah, that's like the perfect London shift.
Yep.
Then you can just like get up like an hour or two before work and then stay up all night through London and then go to bed after London, or you can get up a little before work. Get up if you start at 1, get up at like 11 or 10, go to the gym.
Yep.
Yeah.
I gotta get my haircut tomorrow at 10, so I'll be up in the morning. But usually I like to get up in the morning to eat breakfast and stuff, so it's kind of like we up either way.
Kind of throws you off or something.
Yeah, it's kind of like structure. Like this has to happen for me to like get my day started.
Yeah, you get used to it. You want to train on Saturday again?
Uh, sure. That's if Miko doesn't come down because I think he might want to train.
Okay.
I said,
Otherwise, maybe Sunday.
yeah, but I'll let you know though. I'll text you.
Perfect.
Yeah, sorry, Mike.
Come on, GJ, let's go. Break that high.
Yes, sir.
Break the high and push up another 18 pips. That's all we're asking. Nothing too crazy. Or at least close so I can put my stop up a little higher.
You close my trade.
on E EU.
Yeah. It was like maybe like 10, like maybe like around point 1 or point 10 pips away from closing. So I just closed it. 'Cause I
Win to
s-
win.
yeah, because I see it going back down. I'm like, no, you know what? I'm just gonna close it.
Yeah.
So yep. What's a win? Hopefully, I just need some wins on the stock market in the morning.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on these. Hopefully, these keep going up.
Yeah, everything's like crashing right now.
I hope not. Don't say that.
Because EU just hit like a major resistance for me, so I'm expecting it to go down pretty far. AU, I don't even know. I thought it was the dip earlier already, but maybe it would dip to New York. We'll see.
Yeah, I really want London to want this year to keep pushing up. Kind of trend into New York, and then at New York Open do its little rangy business for an hour, and then continue up or correct the move up we had in London and
Right.
come back to that 150.
This week has been pretty good so far. I think I've won. I think a total of like 80 pips this week.
80?
Yeah,
Nice.
I was I was I was trying to get like 10 pips or like 100 pips if possible, but I don't want to force it.
I mean, if you get 80 this week and then try to get a little more next week,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, but I think this has been the best week for me so far.
Have you been doing since when we worked out that 2 weeks ago, and we were talking about just taking one trade? Have you been doing that?
It's more like two, because sometimes like my trade is just like, oh, it's kind of like, why did I do that, you know?
Yeah. Have
But
you
then, but
noticed
then,
that even just taking two though, have you noticed it helping?
it has like I've been like a lot more careful and like just being patient. Really, I'm just like a lot more patient.
Yeah, there's like
Mhm.
less urge to overtrade or anything.
Yeah. Because like and plus like this like every time like I lose or take a bad trade, I kind of like try to recognize what I was feeling at that time.
Mhm.
And then like now like nowadays when I feel that like okay, I know what's happening. I should probably stop.
Yep.
So and then that's been really helping a lot. Like just recognizing that feeling. Like you know if you feel like that, you're gonna do something stupid.
Yep.
So since I've been like kind of taking notes of that, you know, it's been helping a lot.
Yeah, I journal down how I feel as well.
Yep.
Come on, just close bullish. I want my stop right there.
Man, like London session is so weird. Like around this time, like 3, 4.
Usually super nice. Like it trends really good, but this entry I had a feeling was gonna be rough to get a 2-to-1.
Right.
Unless I got lucky and we had two monster 20 pip candles.
Yep.
But had to follow the rule, you know.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's
And
so
honestly,
weird.
as long as I can put my stop here, if it hits there, I'll be totally okay with that. It's just this one pulled back so far. I mean, as long as I can, whatever. So my initial risk was 0.5%. As long as my trailed stop can hit half of whatever I initially risked, I'm okay. But this is not at half, and this is like about 0.75 to what I risked.
Right. And like Yeah, like it's so weird. It's like the days where this with like this like where like the calendar is like empty, like there's no like major news. Like price moves so weird. It's just like I feel like price should move a lot smoother like on those days.
Yeah,
But it's like what the heck?
come on, GJ, and golf this candle.
Man, so when I close, it decides to bounce back up. Come on. Oh well, better play safe than sorry.
Yeah,
You can't always so something that I read, like don't react to the what ifs. Like ever since I read that, it's like damn, like
mhm,
that makes so much sense in terms of Forex. It's kind of like you don't want to react to like what you think will happen. You just want to like react to what you see like on the charts.
yep. That's why I like the EMAs because it
Mhm.
eliminates that thinking.
Yeah, and yeah, like that's like a killer. It's okay. You think it'll go up, but it doesn't. Like you think it'll hit this TP, but it doesn't. It's kind of this time where like you move your TP with stop loss, and then like that just kills the trade, or like you lost more money from it.
Yep, and then it continues.
Yep, and you're like, damn, fail.
Come on, GJ, being a twat.
I think it might go up. GGU is showing some bullish movements.
It's got 30 seconds to close stronger. I just don't want it to flip and make this low lower.
I think if it closes bullish, it should go up.
I think so too, but if it breaks a low, then I'm out regardless, and I don't want that to happen. I at least want to get my stop here first,
Right.
but it's got to close.
Dude, imagine if you took that trade yesterday for like the pound, the Asian session when like there was a huge spike.
Oh yeah, that would have been nice.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, I got my stop here and I'm out. Fuck you, GJ. Well, win's a win. What did I make? I made half of my initial risk
Look at it going up.
on the spot. Like, yeah. Whatever. I wanted a 2-to-1, but oh
Yeah,
well.
it's better to take some wins than no wins.
Yep. How you
Uh,
doing?
yeah.
I will
We'll
see
be
you
back
guys
tomorrow.
later.